Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Yes, a very important topic, that is safety, we will begin in the EVS class. Now, this is a very important factor aspect of our life. When I say safety, okay. Now, one safety means what? To protect ourselves from all the dangers. And that only we have to do that. Nobody will come and will keep on reminding us. Yes, your parents and your teachers are going to tell you that, beta, see, don't do this, don't do that. But every time they won't be available. So you need to take care of yourself. And if you listen about the rules and regulation, the safety rules, then you'll be aware that in serious situation and difficult situation, how you're going to handle yourself. So let us begin with the chapter. This is very important, children. Let me start better. Okay. Now, safety means what? Protecting oneself from getting hurt. And if we carefully follow all the safety rules, then we can keep ourselves safe, and not only ourselves but others also. Okay. Safe, we'll begin first safety at home. Never talk to the stranger. Stranger means the person whom you don't know. Somebody comes on the door and tells to open the door. Please don't open the door. First find out who the stranger is through your cameras and all. And if you don't have the camera, no need to worry. There's an eye on your door. Through that you can see. If you don't know that person, you call your elders to open the door. So never open the door to the strangers. Any incident can happen, better, and anything can happen. You call the grown up. Then do not touch electrical gadgets. Electrical gadgets means the devices which works on the electricity. That is a hot, see, the hot iron. Never touch that. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, and don't touch the oven, the geysers. Geyser is a very dangerous thing. The toaster with a wet hand, especially when your hands are wet. Okay, and never touch the hot iron. You may get burn injury. You can get burn. Your fingers can burn. Your hands can burn. So never do that, beta. Do not play or touch the sharp objects like knives. You should not play blades, scissors, tools. Do not touch the electric wires and switches and the matchbox. It's not correct, beta. See here. He's having a knife in the hand. He may get cut. Here, never play with the knife. Don't do that. Here, something wrong is going on. Never do this. Okay. Maybe she's trying to hurt with the some pencil is there. It's sharp pencil. Never do that. It's not correct, better. Anyone can get hurt. Even you can get hurt. So avoid playing with the knife, blades, switches, wires, and the matchstick, children. Okay. Do not touch electric wires and switches in the and the matchsticks, beta. It is not correct. Okay. Now, see, this is wrong. This is also wrong. Never do that. Never play with it. Small children especially should never do that. Okay. Do not run. This is a bad habit of the children. I've seen in the school also. Please do not run on the staircase. You may get very, hurt. You can get hurt very badly. Very badly you can get hurt. And you won't, once you start falling also on the steps, you won't be able to balance yourself. You won't be able to control also. है ना? So never do that. Now while playing, after playing with the toys and the games and all, and in the school bags also, anything with which you are playing, or maybe after studying, please don't leave anything on the floor. Someone may trip over them and they can fall. Even you can get hurt. You may fall. है ना? Never run on the wet floor. Here it is given, never run on the wet floor in the bathroom. You may get hurt. Okay. So you should please take care, children. The security is in your hand. Okay, safety is in your hand. Please follow all the safety rules being told. Never go to near the gas stove. Never sit near and too near to the gas stove in the kitchen also. Don't try to touch the hot. No, don't try to touch the hot pan which this boy is doing. Now you can see, है ना? Don't, if there is in some incident also, go near. Don't go near this. This is wrong. You call your elders. Don't stand there going near there and keep shouting and yelling over there. That is also not good. Please take care, beta. Stay away from the fires. Do not light the matchsticks or the gas stove. Absolutely dangerous for the small children. So do not leave anything on the floor. Do not touch the hot pans, beta. Do not run on the staircase. I would like to repeat, this is an important thing. Do not run on the staircase. Do not touch electrical wires or the matches. Then do not play with the sharp objects and the things, children. Do not touch the electrical gadgets. Okay. And do not talk to the strangers. These all security, the safety you have to take care at home better. So keep safe. Follow all the safety rules, and God bless you.